I've never bought a lawnmower on the internet before. I usually go to Home Depot, but in this particular case, I'm going to be showing you an unboxing so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. Is this going to take 2, 3, 5 hours to actually put together? Let's open it up and you make that determination.
Let's multitask a little bit here. I'm going to show you how to change levels at the same time as you are watching me unbox this. First of all, this is the lowest possible level that we can possibly do on this lawnmower. And yes, I will be sacrificing my lawn for this. As you can see, we start to push it, give it a little umph, and look at how crazy short that is. Yeah, if your lawn is healthy enough to actually do golf course length, then, well, more power to you. After I raised it up a bit more, man, this thing cooks. I was so surprised as to how powerful this thing was. Now, one very important thing, I thought that the bag was actually on. In fact, it was empty. Yeah, this is a rookie mistake. I don't want you to make this mistake. See this plug right here? You're supposed to pull this thing out. And it was so hidden, and there we go, rookie mistake. Just pull that out, then your bag will be able to fill up as indicated when you actually put this thing on. Flip that up and then right on there like so. And as you start it up, you'll see that the bag actually inflates. See how it's billowed up like that?
Final verdict, just taking my time, 15 minutes. You can probably even do it faster.
And now the moment of truth. After actually taking only 15 minutes to put this thing together, we're gonna go 1, and we're gonna go 2, and then we're gonna go 3, and then on the 4th one, yes, right out of the box, even with old gas, this thing fires right up. Let's go ahead and test the assist right there. Man, that is cool. Personally, I found that the assist drive, it goes so fast, it's actually pretty difficult to take turns, so honestly, I would just kind of push it myself without the assist. It's lightweight enough to push effortlessly.
I'm actually kind of surprised. I guess you can buy a really good lawnmower on Amazon.com. I stand corrected. Remember the days they only sold books?